Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to reset your Kraken wallet password. To do this, first you'll have to go to your preferred web browser. Here, I'm using Google Chrome for now. Then on the top URL box, you may go and search for www.kraken.com. This will directly take you to the website. Once you're in the website, before you try to reset your password, you'll have to first make sure that you have an account. If you don't have an account yet, you will be unable to do so. Now, if you don't have an account, you can sign up to one by clicking on the sign up button at the top right corner. And if you do have an account, you can just click on the sign in button right next to the sign up button. Once you click on the sign in button, you will be taken to the login portal. Once you're in the login portal, here they ask you for your credentials like your username and password. On the first text box, you can enter your username or your email. Now, to reset your password, you'll have to click on the help link right below the password text box. Once you click on that, you are given three choices. You may either reset your password, recover your username, or contact customer support. To reset your password, you will have to click on the Reset My Password option. Once you click on that option, they ask you for your email. You'll have to enter your email in the given text box. Once you enter your email, then you'll have to click on the Reset button below. Once you click on that, they notify you that they sent you a link in your email. You will have to go to your email, click on the link, then enter the new password that you want to set to. Once you enter that password, they may ask you to re-enter your password for confirmation. Then you can submit that and it will successfully change it or reset it. This is how you can easily reset your Kraken account password. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.